Today was one of the most important days during my entire stay in the city. This is the day when I learned a very important lesson in my life, that is, to rely completely on the kindness of strangers. This was my first time out of the country, and that too all by myself without the shelter of my parents. And all I had was a phone with a reliable internet connection. If you know me, you know that I'm an extreme introvert despite having a YouTube channel. And today I learned the importance of being an extrovert, going up to people and asking for their help, something that does not come naturally to me.
Hey guys, it's about 10:20 in the morning. I'm walking to a meeting. I woke up, we had some coffee and sandwiches, you guys might have seen, at the apartment. So I'm gonna go to my meeting and I'll check back with you guys after my meeting. We are done with the meeting and we've stopped at this Thai restaurant and we've ordered some food. I've ordered rice with fried pork and sunny side up, and Sheelam's ordered some fried rice thing, no vegetable rice thing, and I think Sumit is
The same thing.
yeah, the same vegetable and rice thing. So we're waiting for food now, and I do not know the name of this restaurant, but I'll show it to you guys. And I think it's on Sukhumvit main road or something.
इधर बेसिकली थोंग रोड
I got my rice with like fried pork and basil, and there's like vegetables and rice. That looks very interesting. So they also have like a lot of condiments and everything. I might just try the fish sauce. The chilies don't really make your food like super spicy, but they have this nice masala kind of kick to it, like somehow tastes like Maggi masala for some reason. Let's do another selfie. So we had our second meeting today. So now we are heading out, all of us. So we had a meetup after our meeting, and we met a bunch of travelers, people who live here, who work here, who are passing by. One of us is not gonna be joining. Sorry, that was quite loud. So one of us had to leave already, and the rest of us were going out to grab some dinner. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, it's amazing when you get to meet people when you're traveling, and you can talk about a bunch of things. You can share meals. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun evening. Wow, it's crowded. Okay, I think I just met Vin Diesel, guys. Look at the boys there. large outdoor space that connects all like 3 malls together. So yeah, we're heading to the last one. I think we're heading to MBK now, and that's where they have a night street food market as well inside the mall. There's the food island. Now all we have to do
And you want to make your face like that?
What do I look like? An idiot. Now I'm gonna look for some food inside. I'm hoping to get some Burger King or something nice. So, there's some nice soy milk tea. I see sushi. So we need to get a rabbit card from here and top up and order food from any of the counters, I guess. I got my rabbit card here, and all we need to do is
Video bombing.
all we need to do is find our food. I don't really know what I'm craving, so definitely something to drink, I reckon. We have the Hainanese chicken rice. I might just have the boiled chicken with rice. I might just have that. I think I've decided to get the Hainanese chicken rice. I've been wanting to have it for a really long time. So, are they open? They didn't have any Hainanese chicken rice left. There was another counter. I'm gonna check and see if they have any right now. I just dropped my card into the curry. She was so nice to wash it for me. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna get the boiled chicken and rice. So yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili sauce. Looks like a lot of sauce. Okay. Here's my Hainanese chicken rice with a nice broth, and there's pomegranate juice. Jilam is ready to party with beer in her hand and everything.
Yeah.
This is when things got really intense for me. I had to go buy a crab, and Jilam and Sumit took the BTS. So what happened was I got my crab, and after that I was waiting for close to 30 minutes. I couldn't communicate with my driver. He kept calling me. I kept trying to explain that I was under the overbridge on the opposite side of MBK Center, but he was on the side of MBK Center, and there was no way he could pick me up. There was no way he could understand what I was trying to communicate. And that is when there was this girl, and she was this really kind young girl who I went up to, and I asked her if she knew any English and if she could help me out, if she could try and tell my Grab driver that I was on this side and if he could pick me up. And she did. She very kindly took the phone, communicated, told him that I was wearing a yellow top, and that is how you could recognize me, and he could take me back home. And thankfully the Grab driver was the sweetest person I had ever met, and he was so kind. Despite having waited for so long, he got to the other side, he picked me up, and he thoroughly entertained me throughout my ride. To be honest, it might not sound like a big deal to you, but it was a really big deal to me, because I knew how difficult it was for me to be able to go up to a stranger and ask them to help me out.
You're saying skywalk? I don't understand what you're saying.
นี่แหละ you really good แล้ว
Yeah.
you ต้องให้แบบ my friend Thailand ให้ you speak I speak Thailand
Yeah.
telephone
Yeah.
driver.
One girl was waiting for her cab.
นั่นแหละ yeah
I asked her.
you number one very good โอเค Okay.
Thai people are very nice,
You-
very helpful.
You go Thailand and you don't speak Thai.
First time.
Speak Thai. You speaking hello.
Swastik.
Sawadika.
Swadika.
Okay. Thank you.
How do you say thank you?
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, very difficult.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Khopkun ka.
Okay.
Swastika. Swadika.
สวัสดี hello.
Okay. Sawadi.
Standard. Hello.
Okay. Khopkun ka.
ขอบคุณ thank you. Holiday.
Yeah, tomorrow holiday.
คืนนี้ dinner. I work tonight.
Okay. You're from You're from Bangkok.
Yeah, I from near Bangkok.
Okay.
สมุทรปราการ you don't know?
I've heard of it.
อ๋อ สมุทรปราการสุวรรณภูมิ airport อะ
Yeah.
home I near สุวรรณภูมิ airport.
Okay. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Khopkun ka.
ขอบคุณค่ะ เย่
Bye. Bye.